Hello everyone. I don't know how to start today's video, but it's controller click sounds. Hope you enjoy. Guys, by the way, tell me what ideas you want, what you want to see on my channel basically, cause I'm kind of out of ideas. So I would like it if you could tell me in the comments below. Okay, kid, let's fight them. You have nothing. For real? Hello there. You have basically nothing, so might as well just get out the game. And I'll just take you out real quick. Wow. What the? Whatever. Tell me. Bruh. Okay, you're not telling me he's down there. Okay then. I'm just gonna split. Oh, for God's sake. Oh my God. Hold up. We'll be right back. Right, I've had enough of you. For real? Who hides? Yes, get up there and die. Goodbye. Kill someone. Bro, stop running. Tanky pin kid. Pog of 35. Oh, he's got the fish. Yeah. Give me that fish. Good. I have the fish in there. Come here. Alright guys, that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Sub if you want, and bye.